Maidí mai a hisismóirí agus a feistí an seachtain seo tá muid deanú Cabbageal in chapter 9 agus an tideal ar gceachta inniu. The title of our lesson today is Cén sort aimsire atá on? What sort of weather is it? Agus tá muid obair an tíama and I'm sure we're working on the theme of weather. So Rahi me Fried and Onker Changa dus, I'll go around the input of language, our vocal agus frasi nua, our new words and phrases for the week. Cén sort aimsire atá on? What sort of weather is it? And be me explain a vocal shaw, agus be me feckin jama and inniu will be looking out this window and play cén sort aimsire atá on inniu. And we'll be listening to our poem and song of the week, our nan agus our naur and the seachtain na cumai. So our dat na seachtain na ban, the colour of the week is ban, white. Che, hot. Fuair, cold. Ag lapadail, splashing. Ag lapadail, san lochan iske. We're paddling or kind of splashing in the puddle. Giefer, windy. Grainwar, sunny. Ag kerbashti, raining. Ag kershnachta, snowing. Agus ta ugla an cat, feck the cat is afraid to ugla mar ta an gi ag séidú go trum because the wind is blowing strongly. So feck Sean, look at Sean, ta she ag cur alish, he's sweating, mar ta she ainta che, it's very hot, ta she ainta che, agus ta an green ag tatniv go hard to spare, the sun is shining high in the sky. Agus ta she an tra is labra greenwar ata on, he's playing at the beach and it's a lovely sunny day. Anish feck gi shifra, let's look at shifra. Tashi ag tashi muitha arhin, she's out in the rain, or we can also call the arhin the bashjak, the rain. There are two words in Irish for rain, farhin agus bashjak, rain and rain. Agus tashi ag bashji, it is raining. Ak tashifra and muitha arhin, she's out in the rain, agus taska farinya eki, she's got her umbrella. Ta aska farinya sus harakin eki, she's got the umbrella up over her head. Tashi ikaihu a kota bashti, she's wearing her raincoat. August tashi ikaihu a butashi bashja, she's wearing her Wellingtons. August tashi ikjanu tashi iglapadile, sorry, she is paddling or kind of splashing about. Salochanishka in a puddle, and we also call a puddle linishka, a water puddle. Agus tashi ik bunch spree as she's really enjoying herself. Feck gear taffy wacht. Tashi mui in a craw, he's out in his kennel. Agus tashi preach the leshem vucht, he's freezing cold. Mar tashi kirschnachta, it is snowing. Agus ta bratban schnachta an talu, there's a white layer of snow on the ground. Agus ta far schnachta, janta, there's a snowman made here. Agus ta taffy, a creech leis an ugla, he's shaking with the cold. Agus feck gear and cat walk to look at the poor cat. Is la giefer it's a windy day. Mar ta an gi ag séidú. Agus ta na hédi ag tromu an lína édi. The clothes are drying on the clothesline. Agus ta siad ag séidú. They are blowing ta siad ag séidú. Anonas anal over and back. Agus ta cuma uglach an cat, the cat looks afraid. Agus fecki na dilioga ata ag séidú sus an air cumai. They're also blowing up in the air. Nish eishtimash don our nan na seachtaina. We're going to listen to our poem of the week, and we will also listen to our we'll also listen to our dan na seachtaina. So eishtigi nish don an Amshire.
Air, fecher an rain, ag tatnos to spare. Fecherum, istig sa tea, anish, tá sé ag curbashti.
So seo na seachtaina fecharim a éistí dá uair amháin eile.
Hampshire. Feachrum am whistling air. Feachar an rain ag tatnaf sa spare. Feachrum is stig sa tea. Anis tá sé ag curbáistí.
Nish. Agus ar náran na seachtain inis, or Song of the Week inis a fastí, agus éistí leis. Cén sort amsir atá on inniu. What is the weather like today?
Cén sort amsir atá on inniu. Cén sort amsir atá on inniu. Tá sé sa inniu. Fear from my inniu. Tá haon ag tanis is fair. Tá haon ag tanis is fair. Cén sort amsir atá on inniu. Tá sé flucht inniu. Fear from my inniu. Tá sé ag curbáistí. Tá sé ag curbáistí. Cén sort amsir atá on inniu. Tá sé cliochar inniu. Éisteannis, éisteannis. Tá bhí ag séide. Tá bhí ag séide. Cén sort amsir atá on inniu. Tá sé fuair inniu. Fear from my inniu. Tá sé ag chuir sneachta. Tá sé ag chuir sneachta.
So seo é ar óran na seachtaine. Hanna cúpla focail sa bhreis suas san óran seo. A few extra words came up in that song, boys and girls. Fleoch, wet. Tá sé fleoch inniu. It is wet today. Agus tá an gí ag séidú. The wind, it is windy. The wind is blowing. Tá sé an gí ag séidú. So isci amach on the phrasí seo. Listen out for those phrases. Agus seo é ar gceacht don seachtain. That will be our lesson for the week. So fólam inis do bhocla nua. Learn your new words a fastí. Agus isci amach on na charmí agus na phrasí nua. Gur a 100,000 maigah slán.